Hi, Zalde. I just want to go over the assessment grid before I talk about your assessment this week. So first thing is when we look at the criteria, it's a speaking activity, and we're looking at two criteria: sharing information and interacting with others. So here we want to encourage conversation and shows interest by responding to at least two classmates. And I think I wrote that in the instructions. So I'm not sure. I don't think I saw any responses. So that would be one area you could improve. Indicates when something is not understood. Again, if you had responded to other students and you didn't understand something, that's where you would get a chance to ask questions. Expresses opinions and feelings about the film. I would say yes, you achieved this. Agrees and disagrees appropriately. For the most part, yes. Fluency, this is an area where you're kind of weak because you're not giving enough detail. I want to know what your thought process is. I want to know what you thought about the movie, and I want you to show me that you understood by reflecting on your answer and writing at least 3 to 4 sentences, if not five, for each answer. Um, Grammar, I didn't see to be so much of a problem, although you didn't write so much, so it would be hard to evaluate. Um, and again, here answers the majority of the questions in the discussion forum and gives the necessary information. So I think there were a few things that you missed. But apart from that, let's look at your assessment. Um, okay. Sorry, I'm going to have to go back here and just give me a minute while I find it. Okay, so this is where you posted, and this is the assessment. And so I'm going to look at open yours. All right, so you can see here that your answers are a little bit short. The so this is a word form error. The significance, it should be a noun. This is the adjective. The significance of this journey is to fulfill the wish of Ella's Uncle Bear's dying wish. So this repeats. So you need to change the structure so it doesn't repeat. The movie convinced me that issues are important. So here I'm thinking, what kind of issues are important? Because this is the first time you mention it, you have to identify which issues. So the movie convinced me that the environmental issues or the protection of the environment is important. And here's where you talk about the issue, and we need to fight for our rights, which I think is also important. The other theme in the movie, Kayak to Klemtu, is the need to be strong, and not to give up no matter what happens. That I think is that's a great theme, and I agree with you. And I don't think everyone thought about that, the importance of not giving up, and I think that really was important in the movie. So that was great. So that's about all. And then when I hand out your rubric, you can see I may have added a few more comments there. Okay, thanks so much.